We are up on the day, brothers. Honestly, it's such a nice fucking trade, bro. Okay, so starting it off, bias going into the morning, I was honestly very bullish. I was very, very bullish. Why? Because we took out Asia lows, and in London, we only had the distribution towards the end. So I really expected New York to continue higher, which we did at open, but we never took out these Asia highs. If we would have took out Asia highs, I would have been leaning 50-50. I would have liked to then see a little push lower down to this breaker right over here and then possibly see a continuation higher. But since we never tapped into Asia highs, I was kind of skeptical. And when I saw this monster candle lower, I was just very bearish. So coming into the day, when I saw that on the 5 minute, see, I ended up taking 2 trades today, only profited around one, the other was break even. We had a little breaker on the 15 over here, but we didn't know about that just yet. Anyways, first trade, we had a fair value gap right over here. We tapped right into on this candle over here, then jumping down to the 30-second. I don't have the 30-second on trading view, my bad. We had a manipulation and we had the inversion fair value gap. So I ended up going break even right over here on this push down. We had a little bit of chop on the entry right over here, chop, 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 chop. But then we ended up having that push down. I went break even right at this market structure shift. But then we ended up getting stopped out and having the reversal higher. So I said, not a problem. We're having the reversal higher. It's perfectly, perfectly fine. We got stopped at our break even. Who cares? Then what did I see? We had a 15-minute fair value gap breaker on the 15. Oh my God. Not only that, EQ of the fucking price range, bro. Right at that 0.5. Look at that massive wick. This was nuts. So then I went down to a 3-minute time frame. I had a very nice manipulation leg right over here, and break even was right at these lows. Ended up taking the entry right over here. Yeah, right over here at this candle. Took the entry for a short position. Profited on this move down. I really, really wanted to see us continue lower to possibly past Asia lows. I know, kind of a stretch. I agree. But guys, bro, I really wanted to see us go lower. So yeah, ended up getting completely taken out 100% over here. And yeah, guys, bro, the fucking beautiful trade today, bro. Now we're seeing prior price. I don't know what the fuck's happening right now. I don't want to be in the charts. It's 11 o'clock, so we're probably going to have the reversal now. Other than that, guys, I ended up taking this trade in my live with my community. So if you do want to copy my trades, I have a link down below. Go check it out. It's completely free. I have a nice free trial. If you like the place, you're more than welcome to stay. Other than that, guys, you need a funded account. I have a link down below as well. Get a nice little discount for that. Other than that, I just said that 3 times. Leave a like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy the recap. Peace, brudlims.